नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेवीन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी। आई एम फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. So students, today's topic is the factor which are affect the absorption in a IR spectroscopy. First factor is a symmetry. The symmetric compound do not process the dipole moment and they are IR inactive, such as the symmetric acetylene. It has a dipole moment and it is inactive for the IR absorption. Second is the coupling. There are so many factors which causes the coupling, coupled vibration in IR, and it will influence the intensity and shape of the absorption band. Okay, normally the band due to C double bond C bond is around it 1650 centimeter inverse, but due to the mechanical coupling of a two C double bond C system in alene give two bands at 1960 and 1970 centimeter inverse. The Fermi resonance is the third reason. The Fermi resonance result in an unexpected shift in energy and intensity of the bands. For example, the overtone of CH deformation mode at the made at the 1400 centimeter is away in a Fermi resonance with the stretching of the same bond at the 2800 centimeter inverse. The fourth one is a hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bonding can change the shape and the position of IR bands, and the stronger the IH bonding, greater the absorption shift. Okay, so it will show the intermolecule bond broad band and intramolecule sharp bands. The next one is electrical effect. The electrical effect, such as inductive and the mesomeric and the field effect, may cause the shift in absorption band due to the change in absorption frequency. For example, inductive acetone gives the peak at the 17-15 centimeter, and the chloroacetone gives the frequency at the 17-25 centimeter. The mesomeric acetophenone give the peak at the 1693 centimeter inverse, and the pre-amino acetophenone give the peak at the 1677 centimeter inverse. The next factor is bond angle. The difference in a bond angles can also lead to the change in absorption bands. Here you can see as the bond angle increases, the frequencies the change in frequency occurs. You can see from first to the last one, as the bond angle changes, the frequencies the number of frequency decreases. Next is the application of IR spectroscopy. As you know that the IR spectroscopy is widely used in identification of organic compound. The identification of organic compound can be established from its fingerprint region by the comparing the sample spectrum with the known spectrum of the compound. There is an example of N-hexanal spectrum. Here you can see the functional peak of the organic compound. Next application is qualitative determination of functional group. The presence or absence of absorption band help in predicting the presence of certain functional group in the compounds. Here you can see the functional groups, the type of bond here, and the wavelength, particular wavelength which are observed in a IR band, and the intensities of these band like medium to weak, strong to weak, and moderate. So these are some example of type of bonds to identify the functional group which are present in a compound. The next one is a distance between two type of hydrogen bonding. If a compound having an intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it will show the broad band in a IR spectrum. And if a compound having an intramolecular hydrogen bonding, then it will show the sharp, well-defined bond. Okay. Okay, for example, the O-nitrophenol show the broad band due to the intermolecule hydrogen bonding, whereas the P-nitrophenol shows the sharp band due to the intramolecule hydrogen bonding. The next is quantitative analysis. It can be done by the measuring the intensity of the absorption bands. For example, xylene exists as a mixture of three compounds which show the absorption band ortho, meta and para, and these three are different at the different wavelengths. So you can identify which kind of xylene present in that particular compound. The next one is a study of a chemical reaction. IR spectra is useful for the studying the chemical reactions. For example, the reduction of butyl to 1 to the form to form a butane to all. So it will identify by the functional group of which changes from the butane to 1 to butane to all. Okay. Here you can see that the frequencies are changes from 1710 centimeter to 3300 centimeter inverse. The last one is the study of ketoenol tautomerism. For example, the diketones and the ketoesters exhibit ketoenol tautomerism, and this can be studied using the IR spectrum of a compound. For example, the ethyl acetoacetic ester. Okay, the ethyl acetoacetic ester having a keto group, and the keto group frequency, the C double bond O frequency will be on the 1733 centimeter to 1710 centimeter inverse. Okay, but in enol form the frequencies are changes. It will get the one frequency, one peak for the OH group on 3300 centimeter inverse, and the CO frequency at 1645 centimeter inverse. So these are some application of IR spectroscopy. Thank you very much.